Hi, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Soon we're going to start filming in 2023 is what we're set for, experimental horror films here in the Philippines. In this video, I'm going to tell you as a foreigner what it's like about being in the Philippines and making movies in the Philippine Islands. For the most part, it's great. The aspiring talent are excellent and they're eager to work. The negative side is that some, not all, of the Filipino directors are real jerks, and they will try to get onto your picture, onto your set, and destroy your equipment and jeopardize your film. So make sure you keep them off of it by the security that you have and the security that you've hired within the country. Stay away from the Filipino and the talent agents and managers within the Philippines. They charge 30+% to the Filipino talent, unlike in the United States and Hollywood, where the legal talent fee for agents and managers is 10% to the agent or manager and 90% to artist, actor. They'll also, off the sides of your films, try to start up and drum up business and almost ruin your film. So make sure you just keep away from these people. Block them on your Facebooks and so forth. The Philippines is extremely noisy. This is another reason why, as you can see behind me, I have my Bolex P2 behind me, and I use Bolex vintage movie cameras. It's just the best way. You can add your audio later. You can use whatever vintage movie cameras you like, and movie cameras you like, film cameras, to add your audio later. You're not going to get away from the noise. You're not going to get any sleep either. But the country's beautiful. There's a lot to add, and a lot of great products you can get as well in the Philippines. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.